welcome back to my channel. Now today's video is going to be really focused on the back and the biceps. You don't need any equipment at all, but if you'd like to level up, you can go ahead and grab a set of hand weights. And I would suggest anything between 2 to 10 pounds. Alright, and with that being said, we'll just jump right on into this workout. Alright, and today's very first exercise. So, you come to a high plank, hands are about shoulders distance, toes are hips distance apart, and then you can walk that left hand in a little bit more center so that you feel more centered. From there, you can go ahead and walk the feet a little bit wider if that helps you out as well. And from here, if you're using weights, go ahead, grab it in your right hand. You just pull the right elbow back, then tap down. And the modification for that high plank pullback is just coming down to a tabletop position and continuing the same exercise. Clock's on. You pull and tap, pull, tap. So right away, feeling lots of work in the core as your core tightens up to keep your shoulders and hips nice and square and level. You have a soft bend in your left elbow, so you feel a little bit of work in that left arm. Maybe you squeeze through the quads as well. Most importantly, squeeze through the back. Couple more seconds, just 10 more to go. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, and I just switched around. So this time, right palm will be down. Again, you can walk it in more center. Walk the feet a little bit wider if that helps you out. Left elbow pulls back, tap down. And your timer's on. So you pull, tap, pull, tap. But really use the core to keep everything nice and square. Keep the hips low at about shoulder height. Keep the belly button pulled back in towards the spine and a slight tuck of the tailbone under. "30 in, 20 to go. Ten more seconds. Stay strong, keep breathing. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Already dropping down to the knees and pulling the heels in towards the seat. The hands are still wide, maybe just slightly wider than the shoulders. And from here, just push up so you bend and press. Starting here, take it down, up, inhale, exhale, good. Good, big squeeze of the core on the way up. So you almost feel like the contraction of the core on the way up is almost like propelling you, helping you up away from the earth. You have 10 more seconds, keep it up. Inhale, exhale, that's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work, and we're lowering all the way down to the belly, reaching the arms up overhead, extending the toes long behind you. From there, you just squeeze the back, lift arms, chest, thighs off the mat, and then lower back down. So it's back extensions here. And your clock's on, take it, lift, lower, lift, lower. Really important to keep the belly tight here, the core tone. So what you want to do is pretend like you can pull the belly button up and off the mat completely. If you don't want to feel any pinching in the low back, think upper back squeezes to lift the chest and arms. Seconds to go. Keep it up, keep it going. Big squeeze to lift, small lower down. 5 seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the next exercise, same thing, just adding on. So you squeeze, lift, pull elbows back, reach forward, lower down. Clock's on, take it up, pull back, reach forward, lower. Remember to keep the breath going. Remember to keep the toes reaching long behind you. That kind of helps me to find more length in my low back if I imagine my toes reaching far behind me. 30 seconds in, 20 to go. Five seconds, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nice work, and we're just coming up to a seated position, whichever seated position is most comfortable for you. So from your starting position, reach the arms forward, palms are facing down. Pull the elbows back, extend the arms, rotate palms up, bicep curl, then extend. And your clock is on, take it back. Reach, curl, extend. Now, even if you're not using any weights at all, try to resist every movement. So you try to resist the squeeze in with the bicep and resist the extension out. Keep shoulders pulling back down, away from the ears. Keep shoulder blades drawing together behind the back. Keep the chin lifted, chest is proud. 40 seconds in, 10 to go. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, next up, just reaching the arms out to a low V position with the palms facing up, and we're just curling the palms in towards the shoulders, then extend, reach out. Clock's on, take it, curl, extend, curl, extend. So here again, really flexing the bicep as you curl and flex the bicep as you extend. Hitting nice long, lean muscles. Keep the elbows extended far away from the body and the rib cage. Good, so it's all biceps. Keeping breath going, sending oxygen through the blood, through the muscles. 10 seconds. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, next up, another 4-part combination. It is very similar to the last 4-part combination that you just did, but I'll show you where you're going. So you reach the arms forward, palms face in this time. Pull the elbows in towards the rib cage, extend, hammer curl, extend. So it's in, out, curl, reach. Clock's on, pull, extend, bicep curl, extend. Good, so with the different positioning of the palms facing in, that works the bicep in a different way. So it works more of the top of the bicep. Good, so the more that you do hammer curls rather than classic curls with the palms facing up, the leaner your bicep should look. Again, chin and chest are lifted, nice and proud and strong. Almost there. Keep it going. Keep the elbows reaching. Here's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So just following that pattern, arms extend this time, palms face in, and just hammer curl, then reach. Clock's on. Curl and reach. Inhale, exhale. Good, so keeping the elbows, again, away from the body. Try to avoid any of the inner arm area to touch the body. So your arms are going to get a little bit heavier. About halfway through. Keep it up. Again, redraw the navel back in towards the spine. Belly button is in. 10 seconds. Keep it going. Maybe crack a smile for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome job. So next exercise, I'm going to come to a kneeling position, taking my hips off my heels and then hinging forward from the waist. From there, reaching the arms down and forward with the palms facing in, and you're flying the arms out to the T, then reach back forward. Timer's on, take it out, in, out, in. Big squeeze, little release. Maybe even flex the biceps the entire time. Awesome work. Keep it going. Shoulder blades draw together. Back squeezes to lift the arms up and out to the sides. Couple more seconds. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And for your very final exercise, you're keeping the arms out and long to the sides. Tiny little contraction, squeeze the shoulder blades together. So as you contract the shoulder blades together, the arms just lift and lift. And your clock is on. Final 50 seconds starting here. Squeeze, squeeze. Active reach of the fingertips out to the sides. So you feel the arms getting longer, the back getting stronger. Awesome work. Keep this going. Even think about the lower body here. The core, don't let the core go soft. Fully belly button in and up. 35 seconds in, 15 to go. Close the eyes, crack a smile, keep on breathing. You can do this. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo, and you can shake the arms out. And I'm just gonna do a little stretch, so reaching my right arm across my chest, pulling it in a little bit closer using my left hand. And releasing, switching sides, just letting my upper back kind of open up a little bit. And release. And I always like to grab opposing shoulders with my hands. And just kind of move side to side, stretching out that upper back, letting it open up a little bit more. And release and shake the arms out. And you can go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I truly hope that you enjoyed this workout. And if you are new to my channel, and if you did like this workout, please consider subscribing. And with all that being said, stay healthy, stay hydrated, stay happy, and have a great rest of your day.